Gatekeeper Real Estate. Be honest. When was the last time you actually sent an email newsletter to your database? If it's been a while or never, I get it. Designing emails takes time and most real estate agents just don't have time for that. But my real estate brothers and sisters, if you are creating content to attract leads online, email marketing has to be part of that equation. And as you know, I love Flodesk and they just launched something brand new called Flodesk Studio. It's probably going to be a godsend for busy real estate agents like you. Now, as a Flodesk partner, they gave me early access to the platform, so I did my thing. I went in, I tested it, and I'm going to show you exactly how Flodesk Studio works and even give you a copy and paste prompt you can try for yourself right now today, as Flodesk Studio is currently free in beta. So if you're ready, let's lock in. So what exactly is Flodesk Studio? It is a brand new separate space that Flodesk built where you design beautiful on-brand emails accelerated by AI. What that means is that real designers built the foundation that this AI runs on. The idea is that you open a chat, you describe what you want, and then Studio helps you bring it to life. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. If Flodesk already has such a great email platform, why did they not just add the AI component to Flodesk directly into it? Now, I was wondering the same thing, and I was actually on the partner call when they answered this. So the short answer is that Studio is built on an entirely new infrastructure. So building it separately means they can move faster and innovate without disrupting what is already currently available on Flodesk. And they were very clear about this aspect, that nothing about your current Flodesk experience changes. So Studio lives alongside it. Now, this may mean later down the road they might merge it into one, but they will keep us posted on that if anything changes. Either which way, Studio is currently free right now in beta, so no paid plan required, no upgrade fee. They are building this in public and gathering real feedback and data from users before the pricing is set. So right now, as I said, it's free in beta, so you can try Flodesk Studio for free using the link in the description box down below. And if you want the full Flodesk experience for sending emails, you can also use my affiliate link, which gets you 25% off your first year. So you can find that linked in the description box down below, or also use code Laressa. Now, with that all said, let's head into Flodesk Studio and let me show you how real estate agents can use this platform. Welcome to Flodesk Studio. Now, before we even play around with this, what I recommend to do when you first come into Flodesk Studio, link in the description box down below to try it out, you want to go in and set up your brand kit here. And so if you don't have your brand colors or your fonts, I do have a resource here. So this is a brand brief prompt. So I show you how to use ChatGPT to create your personal brand. So you can scan this QR code here or also watch this video here to learn how to create essentially this. So go ahead and scan that, or also find the link in the description box down below. So once you have your brand guideline, your brand style sheet ready to go, this then makes it easy for you to plug in your logo, plug in your colors here, and also your font. So they have font mapping, which I'm very excited about. You can add your images here and then also stylize how you want your buttons to look like. This one right now is filled. You can have it either outlined. This one is just square, so you can also choose the rounding of the corners if you'd like. You can also add in your brand voice, which I have not done yet. Underneath here, we have our social links. So right now I have my Instagram URL, YouTube, and then down here, this icon here is where you can put in also your website URL. So when you have that set up, now just go into here, the new emails. Once you start to generate emails, they will actually be put into here, which is the place where emails are generated. Hopefully soon we have the forms and pages to be created, so I'm very excited for that. And then underneath here you have all of your chats. So I'm going to go into new email. I'm going to paste in this prompt I have here. So this is what I want this to do, is to create a newsletter to promote my YouTube video. So I'm just going to paste that in here. Now obviously you can generate with one single sentence, but I find that regardless of any AI chat platform, you want to give it context and you want to be specific about what you want it to do. So if you want to try out this prompt here, I will be sure to link it in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. But essentially I'm telling the chat who I am, what I do. I want to promote this video. This video covers this. This is the watch link, and then kind of my brand voice and style, if you will, and what I wanted to do to keep it short and design it clean and professional. So let's go ahead and just populate this. And let's see what it gives us. Now, when it does generate, it will give us actually 3 versions of the email. So it will give us a banner type, which is like more heavily designed, another version where it's, I believe, just text, and then another one where it's kind of a variation of both. So let's see what Flodesk Studio is going to cook up for us. Right. So one thing I noticed is that even though you give it the actual link, it doesn't populate into the email here, which is okay. We can also put that into feedback. We can send that into feedback. But if we scroll down here, we can see here that it generates the copy for us, which is nice. And then underneath here, we have our signature, and then it's populating my Instagram because I already connected that. So if you generate an email for the first time, this might be blank. So all you have to do is just click on this, and then you can connect your Instagram there. If I go back into chat here, that was just one generation. Again, this is another one here. I don't know if you can see that, but the text is in white. I believe if you add in the video, or this one is uploading an image. Okay, you can upload an image in here, and then you can see down here, pretty similar to the other one. If we go into the third one, this one is giving us the text first, and then the video and some more context here. And that is what it looks like. Now, interestingly enough, I used this prompt before I filmed this video, and I actually like what it gave me in the other prompt here. So if I go back into my emails, if you are a real estate agent watching this and you are feeling overwhelmed by all of it, the personal branding, the YouTube strategy, the email marketing, implementing AI, and creating the systems, that feeling of overwhelm and even burnout is completely valid, and trying to figure it out all on your own while running your real estate business only makes it harder. That is exactly why when you partner with me at eXp Realty, you get free access to every system, template, and resource I have built to help real estate agents build brand authority, streamline their systems, and create leverage inside a brokerage model designed to unlock your full potential. Additionally, when you partner with me, you become part of the Wolf Pack, where you will be surrounded by like-minded agents who are running and building the business with you. If that sounds like the missing piece you have been searching for, scan the QR code on the screen or use the link in the description box down below to book a call with me. I hope to see you on the inside. Now let's get back to the video. Or actually, let's go into the first chat here. You can see here that it used my different colors. So I already added in that video. So this one was actually a video block. So I put in actually that, where are we? Put in this URL. So I had to copy this URL and put it into here. So if I just take this out and paste in that video link, that's what will populate. So it gave me that. I like that, and I like these colors better. And there we go, that's what that looks like. But if I open this chat again and go into these ones, I find that this layout looks better. Okay, almost pretty similar. But this one was also a really cool email that was generated as well. So we have the text here. This is where you would put, in this case, your video, but I'm not sure why I did that. I don't really like how the poster image is cropped. I'm not really sure how to fix that. Block, layout. Oh, layout. There you go. We can change into that or into this. You can have the actual video timeline here, or just like that. And then you can also change the play button, the color. In this case, I like to choose red. Or actually, no, let's do white and make the button color red so that it looks like a YouTube video. And then if we scroll down here, the chat actually generates another section, which is kind of like your bio. I think that's nice to have. You know, that way if you have a calendar link, so where people can book into your calendar to talk over Zoom or Google Meet or whatever, I think that's a great call to action to have. And it's very simple and very clean. Now, if you are already familiar with using Flodesk itself, you can see here that when I hover my mouse, there are plus buttons, so you can add other things in here. But the point of this is that you can generate a beautifully designed email with a prompt, and it just builds it out for you, and it has contacts already there. So it's going to save you time. So once you like how this looks like, what you can do is send a test to yourself, which I recommend. Now, the interesting about Flodesk Studio is that you can design here and send anywhere else. So the HTML export works with any email provider that supports HTML, but obviously I'm going to show you how to use this with Flodesk. So we're going to export this to Flodesk and send it that way. So all you have to do here is to just hit export and send with Flodesk. Now, one thing to be very mindful with is that once we push this to Flodesk, what it's basically going to do is be a single block. So mostly like an image block. So it won't actually be editable inside the Flodesk platform. So let me show you. Because the thing is, you want to make sure that, as you see here, if I click this, this is just one block. I can't go in here and make additional changes. So once you have this designed from Flodesk Studio here into Flodesk, this is where you want to send the email. So I hope that makes sense, but you can also go back into this email to edit. You can hit edit in Studio and you can go back. But just to make sure that you like everything here, it's done, it's perfect, and then just export it back into Flodesk so that way you can send it out. I hope you understand what I'm putting down. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? So it's going to share it back to Flodesk, and then from here, all you have to do is just go ahead and send it to your segment of choice, and then you are pretty much set and ready to go. If you made it to the end of this video, you know what it is, you know what to do. Yes, comment down below and crew so I know you are a real one. And if you want to take your email marketing game even further, check out this video right over here to learn how to connect Canva to Flodesk. So if you're ready, get ready to click in 3, 2, 1.